Welcome to Business Calculus. This video will take you through the first 3 steps you have to do before the first day of class. Step number 1, go to www.myopenmath.com. This website is given to you in the welcome email that I've sent. If you don't have a MyOpenMath account, click on register as a new student. Pick a username, password. Make sure you put an email in that you check regularly. And then for the course ID and the enrollment key, this information has been given to you in the welcome email. It changes semester to semester, so make sure you type in the correct course ID and correct enrollment key according to the welcome email that I've sent you for your class. If you already have a MyOpenMath account, then click on, then just log in. So you would put in your login information, go to login, and then mine says add new course because I have an instructor page. Yours will say enroll in new course. So you would click on that. Again, put in the course ID and the enrollment key that I've given you, and that will create the course for you. Once you have the course, you would click on the course. And first thing you have to do is you got to print your notes. So click on the folder that says notes, and then click on chapter R notes. You can either download those, or you can print them directly. So that'll be these will be the notes that we're going to be using for the review chapter. Now these notes are aligned to the videos. So once you print the notes, you would look at the calendar and you would click on the first day of class, and you'll have these 4 video assignments to complete. Now, just as a heads up, the first review chapter goes very quickly. There's a lot of material because it basically covers a lot of college algebra, and so this review chapter is going to be packed with material. Later on, it won't be as much. So you would click on the video lesson, and this lesson is aligned to the notes that you should have printed out, and you would fill in the notes like you would in a normal class. Now, here's the most important thing. You're not expected to understand everything. You may not understand anything, and that's completely fine. But what I do want you to do is I want you to have seen the material. I want you to fill in the notes. I want you to, have everything written down. I want you to think about things and then figure out what do you understand and what do you not understand, and come to class with questions, because every single thing that you see in these notes, every single PowerPoint slide, we're going to go over in class. You will not have time to copy everything down, but when I go through it, you'll see it a second time, and seeing it twice always helps. And more importantly, it'll save us some time so we can answer questions in class rather than just spend time copying things down. Okay, so sign up for MyOpenMath, print your notes, and then click on do these 4 video lessons prior to the first day of class. I gave you guys a lot of information, so if you have any questions, if you need more clarification on anything, I welcome your emails, so feel free to email me anytime.